This is day 2 of attempt number 2, January 31st. January 31st, and the time is 10:35 a.m. Pacific Time, West Coast. West Coast, best coast, 50,385 is where Rhythmic has us. Ninja Trader, this should launch correctly with everything ready to rock and roll based on some tips I got from aspiring trader Jess and some things that I learned through trial and error. So we got our data box and we got our chart, and you know, the secret indicator, that always gives us a clue of what's going on, and I know we're showing some signs of life in the market from the secret indicator. And sure enough, what do we see here? Big dip down and big reversal, V-shaped chart. So that was some of our drawings from yesterday, and dipped out, in, way out. So we can just delete that. And let's expand it out. Coming off of those lows, it's important to talk to yourself. Kind of logic stuff out. Boy, look at that sideways. Oh my gosh, that looks like slice and dice territory. Chop. The slap chop. You're gonna love my nuts. Maybe some people get that reference. Hey, look at that, man. If you saw that coming, man, you could have just worked every time it hit or broke out, fade it. So this would have established, and then you're in it. Bam. Fade it. Here you would have got a scalp for sure. But man, that's showing okay. Probably game over. And now we're still in a little kind of range bound territory. This makes me nervous on the day. I'm not a good range trader. Not enough time in the markets. I've been doing this for a year, and I still feel a lot to learn. Here's our tops. A lot of lines today, man. Not too much trend line action. Maybe we can tweak that just a skosh. Here, first attempt to go short, second attempt to go short, failed. Failed second entry short with a long. That would have been a nice scalp to be on. Let's do our count. Here's our low. Here's our high. First attempt to go short is here. It's not working. That could be an attempt to go long. Let's try it. That could just be the peak, because that was higher. But Jeepers creepers, did I get anxious? First attempt to go long, second attempt to go long. We're at the highs of the day, kid. That's bad. We maybe just have to scrape ourselves out with a little something. Do we have buyers in here? Do we have buyers in here? I'd like to see some buying. Take that. Oh my gosh, that was just a rocket ship. That was fast. Y'all saw that, didn't you? Alright, buy. Keep buying. Keep buying. Keep buying, kids. Don't come back and take me out. You know what? I don't feel good about staying up top there, because look at this. That is a lot of resistance. If it runs, so be it. I'll take that 150 and change. which is exactly what that one was. Well, that was a nice trade. We recognized it early-ish. The high of that red candle. 62.75. We're in at 63. That is just literally one tick above. That's where we wanted to be. There's still some strength up here, but you got to read the probabilities. So that's our first attempt to go short off of that high. So is this break in new extreme, which isn't very extreme? I don't think I have the oh, I do have the data. There was that red line in the sand, and so now we are drawing 72. Would that count as a penultimate peak? I mean, really, that's our next one, I think. 76. What's way up here? Well, let's just draw it while we're in the neighborhood. We don't get back to this neighborhood too often. We'll just draw that peak to have it. First attempt to go short. Down here. Maybe we'll get a stubby candle. We'll get an attempt to go long that fails. Second attempt to go short, maybe pull back. I don't know, we'll see. We shouldn't be taking second attempts or second entry shorts in a bull trend anyhow, especially if we're anywhere above the EMA. That's also bad. Yeah, I just wanted to start back up the video and show you that that 70 mark did get broken. 70.50. 69.50 would have been a, maybe if you were thinking going long, you wouldn't have gotten out unless you punched out, at least as of this moment. It's got to tick through your order. So it would have to be 70.75 for your 70.50. Because you wouldn't have hit the bid on that. The bid is a tick, essentially. 69.50, 69.75. Ooh, this is I might have to wait for a pullback to get in,
Order
or
filled.
just do something like that. And just get in late to the party and probably regret that decision. Push! Don't want to regret the decision. Shucks. 69.50 was our in. We're at 70.25, so 70.75 would be the tick out. Oh man. Am I gonna regret it? Am I gonna regret it? Oh no. Come on, buy it up, kids. Was this our chance to get in? For real? I want to see some buyers. Heavy duty. Is this where patience paid off or impatience? Push it up, push it up. Come on now. We have this candle. 71.25. Oh man, that stank. Brother. Brother, can you spare a few ticks? Yeah. What did that one come to? Would that have been the smart money there, is wait for a pullback, drop in a limit order? Yeah, I don't do that too well. Go, 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 tick through, tick through, tick through, tick through, tick through, you can do it. You rude boar. Tick through, do it, tick it, tick, 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 tick. Cha-ching. What's this doing here? Oh. Alright, now run it. Run it, baby. This is our runner. Hopium, 4085, 4083, something crazy.
Stop filled.
Stop filled, you rude boar. You know. 251. Anyway, that was a winner. We'll take it. That was a winner. Nothing obvious. But that's one pullback. Oh boy. I'd like to see something at the EMA to give us a chance to get our third trade of the day, third winner of the day. That's all we want, the winners. Pausing, 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 polishing, polishing. 12:30 might be might be our time to stop. But yeah, we'll see what the market's giving us. Well, that just kind of blasted down. A lot of confusion for people like me that just don't have the skill set to really be good at reading these patterns. I know enough to be dangerous. Ooh, it just shot down. 71.25. What happens? Can we get a break of this channel and then off to the races for the end of the day? Do they want to buy this up at the end of the day? Or is the sell-off in effect? Profit taking. I don't know where that was. It's not important, but man, that is breaking down hard. Okay, is this our game? Is this our low? Oh no, this is too high, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna draw that line just to see. Come on, horizontal line, F6, horizontal line, F6. Yeepers creepers, that is a full-on low. That's more than a two-legged pullback. But again, even though that looks potentially like a reversal candle, we have to be careful if it's going to close outside and then break down to a new low. Where would our new low be? If the long is continuing, 66.75 is a possibility. 65 also. Round and round. How about up and down? Round and round. Where she goes. Up and down where she goes. And where she stops, nobody knows. Somebody knows. Down to 65. Catch a bid at 65. Is it over? Oh, that was a little hop, skip, and a jump down, but there's certainly a new extreme low on that run. How far does it go? We don't have enough. That's broke through 65. Hello. Where are we going to catch the bid? 64. That's. Well, there goes my thesis. You know, if I was buying at 65, I'd be crying now at 64. Okay. That's a first attempt to go long out of there. So maybe the cojones, people with, the iron cojones are buying off of this 64 level. I'm sure somebody wants to buy off that or is buying off that, and people are piling on up to the EMA, but I've seen this happen. And then you sell off, so that could be a leg, and there's our another leg down. Just use this thing as my leg measurement tool. 40, 57, what's in there? Yeah. It's hard to reverse your thinking. Going long, 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 now, oh, we gotta be short. But that was our low, first attempt to go. Wow, that is a big sell-off, kids. What happens here? Do you get faked into going short here? Oh, that's more than one tick. 64. 63.50, that's 2 ticks. Is that a trap or not? One leg, 2 leg. That was up to the EMA essentially. Wow. Is that a full-on break? And that's our new extreme? And we're actually long? My first inclination was we are short now. One leg, 2 legs down, but it could be break a new extreme, and now we're back to long. I've been burned both ways on this kind of move. Buying it up now. But what happens at the EMA? That is the telling story. Look at that, though. It's above the EMA now. But don't be fooled. You need your convincing above the EMA. See, that could be a trap long, trap the long. See that one tick, and you got to watch for the reversal. So this is still first attempts to go long. Boy, I sure hope that this patience pays off. First attempt to go short. Right there, it hit first attempt to go short. Man, I feel like I want to be early to the party. But you gotta wait on it. Man, this is hard. Look chilly in the SoCal area these days. Heavy volume in there. I'm going long. I'm going long. Come on, push up. Push up. This is for real now. We're really in it now. This is the money. Yeah, you dog with fleas. Gosh, yeah, I think that's what they were waiting for, is me. Get into the party early. This is really where my stop loss should be, is at 66.50. First attempt to go short. That was the high. Son of a gun. Did I get the fake out? Can it be a failed short? Can it be a failed short? Buy it up. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing, buying that up. Get green, kids. Get green. That was a nice buy up. Push. We need to gain 70, 25. Man. Staying above the EMA makes me happy. We're done selling. We're buying now, kids. We're buying. We're buying now, kids. Yep. Ching. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, 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 boom. Tick. Boom. Now we run it. I'm going to move my stop loss here. In case. I mean, I'm really with the house money right now. Really playing with house money right now. And I'll just trail that. Push, come on now, push. What is this at? 69.25, 67.50. Man, that's an ugly spot. Yep, you can go. We're going to hold 70 for sure. Let's hold 70. Don't sell that. And you want to stop me out, don't you? Man, oh man. Come on, go. Yeah, go. Now's your chance. This is the hardest part, is these runners. Or swing trading, letting it go. Push. I want everything quick. I want it to be a quick, convincing move. Then I feel like, okay, I'm right here. You know, that was a convincing move up. Are we on the right side of the law? That was ugly. Shoot! Come on now. I do not want to lose out. Yeah. Buy it. Come on, 70. Shoot, this is not fun. I mean, I'd rather not lose anything on this. Feel kind of sick. You know? Yeah, that was great. That was great. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. Go up. Go up. Now I'm moving my stop loss. I'll trail that sucker. Now I know I don't lose anything. Come on, get green on it. Get green on it. Get green on it.
Order filled.
This is tiresome. I can't ride that long. What a great day. 240. Well, there it was, kids. Nice day with a nice final trade in crunch time, in the crunch hour. And, you know, if it runs, it runs. It's fine by me. 426, big day today. We'll take it. 50,847, back in it. Save workspace, yes. Rhythmic. 50,811. 426 on the day. Alright kids, we're shutting it down. Going into editing mode. I'd like to see that green one back there. Okay. Let's get back up to it. Tomorrow's another day. Hopefully I'll be up early enough to get some trading. I do have a meeting to attend in the morning. And good day today. I'll probably edit this down significantly because I have an hour and 40 minutes of recording time. Alright, Random Dave's back in it, but Random Dave out.